Well, I just got through planting my okra and beans. The outside rows are alternating okra, bean. The middle row is all beans. Now they're Blue Lake bush beans and Clemson spineless okra. I have to say it really slow. And you can see that after all the rain, I had a heck of a time. My wife's telling me, you need to get the footprints out. Yeah, that's going to have to wait till it dries. Look at that. That stuff is deep. But I got it done. Here are my cucumbers. They're doing really well. Over here are some dahlias that are doing really well, and I planted some extra peppers. And here I already have some Blue Lake bush beans coming up, and look at our peas. They're climbing the fence and blooming. Now back here is our pepper patch. I want to show you something. Look at that. That's about ready to pick. These are squash plants. Really proud of that. I planted some more Blue Lake. No, these were Kentucky Wonder Blue Lake hybrid pole beans. I planted back here, and you can see there's a few coming up. I have faith that more will. Oh yeah, they're full row. I'm so happy. Back here, a few extra tomato plants, some more beans, another couple of pepper plants, some peas. Everything's coming on really well. Now down here at this end, those are hibiscus. In the pot out there, I've got cardinal vines and what is the other one? Some cardinal and cypress vines growing. That's what it is. Ha! I knew I'd remember it. So our little rose doing good. Pinky. Back here is our broccoli. And here is giant mustard. It looks like it's bolting. In here, I have cantaloupe coming up. Now look at this. How do you know when broccoli is ready? I mean, it looks pretty nice to me. It's not a real tight head, but it looks really nice. There's another smaller one. Back here, guys, are my apple trees. Apple trees are doing really well. Now I have some little tiny apples. And I think I need to cut those off. Seems a shame, but I think it would really help the tree. Here's some bee balm we transplanted. In here, we have some bachelor buttons coming up. And believe it or not, I am in the pen with Billy, the devil himself. Now I built him this goat toy, cut a platform and a tire for him to beat his head on. And look, he loves it. And it seems to have calmed him. Look, isn't that sweet? And what you're hearing barking Here's our nannies, just as ornery and hungry as ever. I swear they're always hungry. That is Belle the Bottomless. The little colorful one is Bonnie. Hi girls. Here we are in the chicken pen. You can see the little bitty guys that look kind of like pigeons. That's our last 4 hatchlings that we got big enough to turn out with the rest of the flock. And here we have a mama with 2 babies that ain't quite ready to join the rest yet. And over there, I don't know if you can see behind everybody, that is Phyllis Diller, a silky hen, and her baby. Not quite ready to join the flock, but they're getting there. And here's our chicken nest. Look at them. This rain's really messing everybody up, but they seem happy enough. Here's our herb bed. How big our sage is getting. Now here we planted some little lavenders that evil girl decided she wanted to dig up. That's Porky. And I had to replant them. Now they're doing pretty good. Over there, now I gave a quick glance to the lettuce bed. Look at this. Look how lush that is. About time to harvest some lettuce, huh? Now up front here, we have our tomatoes in buckets. Look how big these guys are. We have our in-ground tomato patch. I think altogether we have something like 45 tomato plants. There's our asparagus. Please excuse the wind. I mean, this is Oklahoma. This time of year we have wind and we have rain. Here's my strawberry patch. I'm fixed to come out and put straw on these guys. You see the little berries. Doing really well. I'm really impressed with my strawberries this year. I've already picked like 5. Here's another couple of extra tomatoes. And my garlic. Look at that. Now that's store-bought garlic, guys. I just bought a head of garlic, separated into cloves, and planted it. Now I want to show you something real quick. Over here, one row. This, you can barely see the difference. It's elephant garlic. Huge stuff. It's the first time I've tried growing it. So wish me luck. Well, look at that garlic patch. Store-bought garlic, just planted in cloves. Now here on the tomatoes, look at all the baby tomatoes I got coming. Looking really good. And out here in the in-ground patch, there's some more babies. But one thing I wanted to show you, look at this. Heck yeah, guys. Coming on. So, that's the status of the garden for now.